happy to see that we all agree here that sustainable tourism is very important for the industry. The interesting question is what holds us back from here? And I believe we all live in a society where we are used to the things we're doing, and it's very difficult to change our habits, to change our ideas, to change our perspective. So what we need to do is we need to try to figure out what is important for the future, and sustainable tourism says we need to do the things that future generation can do the same things without any problems. So it would be very important that we rethink our situation and that we are open to a new setting, to a new paradigm in order to get a more sustainable tourism in the future.
The basis of future success, I think, first of all, is a well-protected, beloved and really well-organized piece of nature, piece of earth, and Austria is delivering this. But secondly, it's not enough because you need outstanding services, you need to guide people, you need convenience in the middle of even rough mountain nature. You need convenient, outstanding infrastructures, and what I learned here is I think you need good guides and perhaps also interactive programs so that people can really experience themselves out in the nature. Because mankind, especially in the wealthy part of the world, is more and more living in the cities, is more and more industrialized, denaturalized, and therefore when we are like digital natives, we want to go back to nature as much as possible, and that's our chance for the future.